Hello everyone, welcome to Shopify SEO optimization full course. In this course, we're going to learn how to do SEO for your Shopify online store to rank it organically using all the latest SEO term. So let's get started. In the previous class, we have started working our sponsored app SEO earned, and we are going to SEO on dashboard. Just wait a little bit time. So in previous we have optimized all the image, and you can see our store rank improve a little bit than previous day. It's 72. We can also do more, so let's start one by one. So what we are going to do, optimize image. We have already optimized image, speed up using AI optimize SEO. So which task is not completed? Using AI to optimize on page SEO, this is not completed, so we are going to complete it. We have already completed 3 of 4 tags you see in here, and that's why our result improve. And right now I'm going to click on the using AI to optimize on page SEO. Click on the optimize now, then it will automatically fix all this issue. Okay, generate blog, enter keyword, SEO score, AI auto generate keyword, so I don't have to write anything. Just click on here, AI auto generate keyword. It's working, being generated automatically. And right now we are on the blog post. You see a lots of keyword missing, image alter text missing. If we do everything one by one manually, then it will take too much time. That's why I recommend to start working with this app. This is really helpful for any Shopify online store to do SEO by yourself without any previous experience skill. I hope you understand. And here you can see that another example, one blog image missing alter text. Click on here, bulk edit. Okay, blog optimize it. Then we are going to click on the SEO checker. You see right now our score 2% more improved, and you see high range. We found 10 issues that need to be fixed. Rescan or one click to fix, so we can fix it with one click. Before that, I'm going to share again that they have started Black Friday deal 50%. They have started Black Friday offer, so you can try it in this Black Friday. Okay, and here is the main reason: SEO win, sell win. That's mean if your SEO goods oil, then your sell also goods oil. And what's it actually do? Load speed increase 29%, SERP position 44%, 50% organic plus visitor, sales growth 100%. So in our story you can see that we have 10 issue. I'm going to click all this with one click, so click on one click to fix, and click on the save. Just waiting. Optimize meta title 135 issue, optimize meta description 162 issue, MD optimized, and here is the image alter text. So we have to wait for that. And if you looks in here, our score improving. Looks at my mouse, 77 right now. Just waiting more time and it will increase definitely. So it's super easy because everything we can draw with automatically, everything we can draw with app without any previous skill experience. So I definitely recommend it to use for your Shopify online store. It's definitely will be helpful and valuable. Wow, right now we are on 1881. I hope we can go 90 plus. They have also another app, AI support with auto reply, smart product recommendation and order tracking, translate into sales. Okay, but we are keeping focus on here. 83 looks super good. 84, just waiting. I think we can go 90 plus with this app. It's super easy. Congratulations, 306 issue are fixed and only image alter text issue need to be worked. Okay, close it and rescan. You see, rescan. Once again I have make reload, not rescan. So it's better than previous, but we are very close to make it fully SEO friendly optimized. We found 9 issues that need to be fixed, so click on here and image, all product image collection, detect issue. Okay, and now going to click on the save and fix. Yes, you see our score in here. Just going to fix everything one by one, then our on page SEO, technical SEO will be completed in this video. Then we can start working on bring traffic, and we'll work for our especially home page, shop page and collection page. Then we have to work one by one for each product page to make it SEO friendly, checking with SEO checker. Let's see what's happening here. Click on the SEO and just wait a little bit time. Okay, you see 3 texts completed, 86, and B checklist, improve it. So one by one click on the view checklist, and we have 8 issues that need to be fixed. Speed optimization, so we have to fix it, fix all for now. One click to fix. You see, image alter text 150 issue and optimize image 30 image. Exist automatic optimization already and no need to buy manually, so everything going automatically. So wait for a little bit time to get all the result. we're going to hide it for now, and we have to fix these 3 critical issue. Then our store will be more speed up, rank up, and ready for ads campaign and search result. So wait a little bit time to let's see what's happening in here. So I think we have to wait and it's do everything automatically, and in the next time after complete this action we have to start working fixed critical issue. When we fix this critical issue and improvement, then our store score, SEO score will be 100% on 90 plus. That's we sure or guarantee. So I hope you understand how this SEO Earned app work for Shopify SEO optimization and fix all the SEO issues automatically. How it save time and how it help to do SEO on Shopify online store. So I'm going to end this class in here. In the next class we are going to learn how to fix the critical issue and fix the improvement. So we are going to close this class in here or end this class in here, and we'll learn more in the next tutorial. So thank you so much for your time to join this class. If you think this course is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service support relevant Shopify, WordPress or SEO, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.